No. I make a video. You're Muslim, huh?
No.
Yeah, you're Muslim? No, you're Muslim? You are Muslim or not?
Muslim Romana. Okay.
Okay. Can you recite Qalma?
Qalma.
Yeah. What is that? Recite Qalma. Where are you going? Recite Qalma. You're Muslim, huh? Why don't you recite Qalma? Where are you running? Where are you running, yeah? What happened to you now? Where are you going? Don't call yourself Muslim. You are not Muslims. Okay? Don't call yourself Muslims anymore. You see, brothers and sisters, I'm in Ilford on Ilford Lane. These beggars, they call themselves Muslims. They are not Muslims. They're just making them worse. Nothing else.